What's up, YouTube? You know, it's your boy Ski Man, back with another one, sponsored by Hyde Park. So look, what I'm doing right now is a puddle light. So I actually got one of the lights out right now. It's gonna be a quick DIY. So this is the light. I hurt my nail trying to do it and everything. So this is the current light that I'm putting in. These are Scatpack puddle lights. This is the current light that I took out. So I'm gonna put these up for a rainy day in case the new puddle lights go out. So here is a socket. It's like a clamp for you to insert the electricity. It's like a harness with some wires. All you literally do, see, I had somebody show me and it was kind of hard. It's a tab right here. Push that in with your screwdriver and it's gonna come right out. I tried to do it like 6 different ways and I ain't gonna lie to you, my nail is currently purple from trying it, but so now I know how to do it. But so I'm gonna give y'all a quick snap in real quick so I can let you guys see. It's real simple, man. I'm not really savvy at all with cars, but so it's not working. Let me see something. Oh, okay. So currently 6.4 liter. So what I'm gonna do is I want to